Hi guy. Welcome to Fook VR channel. If you like my video, please, click like and subscribe to my channel, or buy me one coffee to motivate me to create more videos. If you prefer to watch in article form, visit my Buy Me Coffee page to read it. Unlike the Glide library, Coil is not supported by default. However, Coil has an extensive library that supports loading Gifs. To support Gifs, import the extension library. And add the decoders to your component registry when constructing your image loader. The Coil includes two separate decoders to support decoding GIFs. GIF decoder supports all API levels but is slower. Image decoder is powered by Android's new Image Decoder API, only available on API 28 and above. Image decoder is faster than GIF decoder and supports decoding animated WebP images and animated HEIF image sequences. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to get the latest videos, and don't forget to visit my page if you like the article type.